Looking for the best diesel engine oil filter to keep your engine running stronger, cleaner, and longer? In this video, we reveal the top diesel oil filters that deliver outstanding protection, improved performance, and maximum durability. Whether you drive a truck, pickup, or heavy-duty vehicle, this guide will help you choose the perfect filter for your engine. Stay with us until the end to discover our number one pick. And do not forget to subscribe for more trusted automotive reviews and buying guides. Now let's get started. Number 5. Delco GM Original Equipment Engine Oil Filter. Delco GM Original Equipment PF 2232 Engine Oil Filter is widely known for its dependable performance and consistent quality in various heavy-duty vehicles. This product is designed using durable paper material that plays an important role in maintaining engine cleanliness. It works effectively by trapping harmful dirt, debris, and other unwanted particles that can damage internal parts over time. Clean oil circulation is essential for smooth engine operation, and this filter supports that process in a reliable way. This model is suitable for vehicles such as 2500, 2500 heavy-duty, 3500, and 3500 heavy-duty. It is created to match original equipment standards, ensuring proper compatibility and long-lasting use. The careful engineering behind this filter helps protect sensitive engine components, especially bearings and hydraulic systems, from wear caused by contamination. The size of the product is 4x4 by 5.6 inches, which allows it to fit securely in the intended space without difficulty. Its structure is made to handle pressure and temperature changes during engine operation. Over time, manufacturers have improved the design by introducing better materials and updated technology, making the filter more efficient and dependable. Some versions of this product were previously released under different naming formats, such as Original Equipment or Professional Series, but the quality remains aligned with strict manufacturing guidelines. The development process includes testing under demanding conditions to ensure that the product performs well in real-world situations. General Motors engineers focus on creating parts that meet exact vehicle requirements. This ensures that each component functions in harmony with the engine system. Continuous updates in production allow improvements that help extend engine life and maintain stable performance. This oil filter offers a balance between durability and efficiency, making it a practical choice for vehicle owners who want dependable engine care. It supports proper lubrication flow while reducing the risk of internal damage caused by contaminants. Number 4. Wix XP Oil Filter Replacement. Wix 57151 XP Oil Filter Replacement is widely recognized among vehicle owners who prefer dependable engine care during demanding conditions. This product is developed using silicone material which helps maintain stability during temperature changes and extended usage periods. It is commonly used in cars including Ford F-Series Super Duty models with 6.7-liter diesel engines from 2011 to 2014. This filter is built to work effectively with synthetic oil types that are often used in modern engines. Drivers who experience long highway travel, frequent stopping situations, or heavy towing conditions often look for solutions that can maintain consistent oil cleanliness. This product is created to support those needs by maintaining smooth flow and reducing the presence of harmful particles. The internal structure uses advanced synthetic blended media combined with natural fibers to improve filtration quality. This design removes contaminants efficiently without requiring additional support layers. The filtration process is measured at 99% efficiency at 23 microns, which reflects strong performance in capturing small particles that may affect engine condition over time. Its size is 3.9 by 3.9 by 7 inches, which allows proper fitting in compatible vehicles without adjustment difficulty. The design supports extended usage, allowing longer intervals between oil changes, which is beneficial for those using synthetic lubricants regularly. Installation is simple and does not require complex steps, making it suitable for both personal vehicle owners and professional mechanics. Proper fitment is important, so verifying vehicle compatibility ensures smooth operation and correct placement. Continuous development and improvements in material and construction help maintain reliability across different driving environments. This oil filter supports engine longevity by promoting clean oil circulation while reducing wear caused by debris and contaminants during regular operation. Number 3. PurolatorBOSS Maximum Engine Protection Spin-On Oil Filter. Purolator PBL 46128 oil filter is designed for drivers who want consistent engine care during daily use and demanding driving situations. This model is suitable for Ford F-250 Super Duty from 2011 to 2024 and Ford F-350 Super Duty from 2011 to 2023. It is created with silicone material that helps maintain durability during temperature changes and long operating hours. This product is known for supporting clean oil circulation by reducing unwanted particles that may affect engine condition. A cleaner system helps maintain smooth performance and reduces stress on internal components over time. The advanced filtration system uses Smart Fusion full synthetic media, which works to remove a high percentage of dirt and debris from the oil. This helps maintain engine stability during long drives or heavy-duty usage. The outer build includes a strong metal body that can handle pressure during operation. This construction supports steady oil movement while maintaining reliability in different environments. Inside the filter, there is a carefully designed structure that promotes proper flow and reduces blockage risk. This helps the engine receive consistent lubrication, which is important for long-term use. The sealing system uses a specially developed gasket material that supports leak protection and helps maintain a secure fit during operation. This reduces the chance of oil loss and supports overall engine safety. The internal valve system helps maintain oil presence during engine start, which supports smoother performance from the beginning of operation. The size of this oil filter is 4.25 by 3.69 by 7 inches, which allows it to fit properly in compatible vehicles without difficulty. It is built to handle extended usage, which makes it suitable for drivers who prefer longer intervals between maintenance. This product is developed for both cars and trucks and is suitable for those who require stable and reliable performance. Proper compatibility check is important to ensure correct installation and effective operation in the selected vehicle model. Number 2. Jarosiewicz Oil Filter Compatible. Jarosiewicz oil filter is created for vehicles equipped with 6.6-liter Duramax L5P diesel engines from 2020 to 2026, including Chevrolet, Chevy, and GMC models. This product is developed to match original equipment requirements so that it fits properly without causing installation difficulty. The design focuses on maintaining steady engine condition during different driving situations. The internal system uses a layered structure that helps manage contaminants present in engine oil. Dirt particles, carbon residue, and fine metal fragments are reduced during circulation, which supports smoother engine operation. Cleaner oil helps maintain internal balance and reduces unwanted wear on sensitive parts. This type of filtration process is important for diesel engines that often work under demanding conditions. The outer shell is built using strong material that can handle pressure created during engine operation. Diesel engines usually generate higher force compared to standard systems, so durability is necessary for maintaining reliability. This construction helps prevent damage caused by pressure changes and supports consistent performance over time. The sealing section uses a silicone ring that is treated to handle heat and long exposure to oil. This helps maintain tight connection between the filter and engine housing. A proper seal reduces the chance of leakage and keeps the system secure during operation. Stable sealing also supports efficient oil flow without interruption. Inside the filter, the oil movement path is designed to maintain balance between flow and filtration. This helps ensure that oil moves smoothly while still being cleaned effectively. Proper circulation supports engine lubrication, which is important for maintaining steady performance during long drives or heavy workload. This product replaces part number 1140000740 and is designed to match vehicle requirements accurately. Correct fitment is important to avoid installation problems and ensure proper functioning. The size and shape are aligned with compatible models, which allows easy placement. Drivers who use heavy-duty vehicles often require reliable oil filtration to maintain engine condition. This filter supports consistent operation by helping manage contaminants and maintaining steady oil movement during regular use. Number 1. Ocdelco GM Original Equipment Engine Oil Filter. Ocdelco GM Original Equipment PF63 Engine Oil Filter is designed for use in cars, sports utility vehicles, trucks, and vans that require dependable oil cleaning performance. This model is built with strong steel material which helps maintain durability during continuous engine operation. Its structure supports stable performance in different driving conditions while maintaining proper oil movement throughout the system. The filtration process plays an important role in keeping engine oil free from unwanted particles. Dirt, debris, and other contaminants can affect internal components if not controlled properly. This product works to reduce those harmful elements, which helps maintain smooth engine function. Clean oil circulation supports better lubrication and reduces stress on important engine parts over time. Inside the filter, there is a specially developed media that helps manage dirt holding capacity while maintaining steady flow. This internal structure allows oil to move efficiently while still being cleaned effectively. Proper oil flow is essential for maintaining balance inside modern engines that operate under higher pressure and demand. The bypass system is designed to match the needs of high-flow engines. This helps ensure that oil continues to move even when conditions change during operation. Maintaining proper flow helps protect engine bearings and other sensitive components from damage caused by insufficient lubrication. A well-designed bypass structure supports consistent performance during both normal driving and heavy usage. The internal valve system uses a durable design that supports controlled oil movement. This helps maintain pressure balance and ensures that the engine receives the lubrication it needs at all times. Stable oil delivery is important for long-term engine health and performance. The size of this oil filter is 4.6 by 3 by 3 inches, which allows proper fitting in compatible vehicles. Correct fitment is important for maintaining secure installation and preventing leakage during operation. This design matches original equipment standards, which helps ensure compatibility with specific vehicle models. Continuous development in materials and engineering helps improve reliability over time. This product supports consistent oil filtration while maintaining engine stability in various driving conditions.